Hi, I'm Jay from Wood Finishes Direct. In this video, I'm going to be showing you my favourite application technique for the raw version of the Osmopolix oil. In the dark about what it does? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Check out our Osmopolix oil raw 3044 preparation video now. Regardless of the size of the project, I always prefer to get up close and personal with the raw, using my favourite applicator, the Osmo Soft Tip brush. For smaller projects, I go for a 2-inch, but I use the beefy 4-inch for larger areas such as floors. Its high quality synthetic mix of bristles is great at limiting over application. So you're happy with your test areas and ready to apply. Start by giving the tin a good stir before and periodically during application to avoid inconsistencies in the finish. Then it's as simple as loading the brush, dabbing off the excess and applying thinly with the grain in manageable areas. Once applied, remove any excess with a microfiber cloth and leave to dry. Drying time on the Osmopolix oil raw is 24 hours and dries to a lovely natural matte finish. Once dried, you need to lightly sand with a finishing pad. This helps the second coat soak in and gives you a better finish all round. The end is in sight. All you have to do is give your final second coat the same as the first and remove all excess. And you're done. Do you need further technical assistance or advice on your project? Why not put us to the test and give us a call? All products used in this video are linked in the description on YouTube. Don't forget to like and subscribe for future content.